Hey guys, what's up? It's DJ Slayer here, and I'm in North Carolina on a trail right now. Beautiful. It's called Nature Trail. My whole family's here. And look, I'm gonna go on a jump right here. So, yeah, look. We just got back from a waterfall that we took a couple pictures on. Some rocks, it's beautiful out here, isn't it? So, yeah. She's got her phone videoing for her YouTube channel. Go check out Crystal White. She does some YouTube channel. She does some hula hooping and stuff like that. Yep. Yeah. And look, beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. This is a vlog. I hope you guys know that. And look, we went on this hike earlier today, and we went to this waterfall thing. And there's like a bear. It was like perfect for a bear cave, and it was like so scary. And we had our dogs with us. It was fun. Today's been fun, so hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll keep you guys going.
What?
Yeah.